Hello guys, welcome back to this video. I'll be teaching you how to fix back fit. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, share and like my video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix two types of back fit. The first one has a pin at the back and the second one has a stopper. This is the second type, and this is the stopper that you're going to fix at the back to prevent the back fit from pulling off. This is the second one. I fix it. We are going to fix the stopper to prevent it from pulling off. And this type of back fit is mostly used for bag that is going to be lined, that you are going to add lining to. The second one, you are going to be fixing the pin at the back, and you're going to apply adhesive to allow it stay. So that it's not going to pull off. We're going to add adhesive. Thanks guys for watching.